As Ducati gears up for another round of world premieres, spy shots emerging from Europe have sparked rumors of a significant update to one of its most distinctive adventure bikes, the DesertX. The 2026 Ducati DesertX, seen undergoing testing in prototype form, is reportedly trading its 932 cubic centimeters Testastretta 11 degrees engine for the newer and lighter 890 cubic centimeters V2 powerplant, an engine already used in the Multistrada V2, Panigale V2, and Streetfighter V2. The switch to the V2 engine makes sense on multiple fronts. Ducati's modular approach to engine development helps streamline production and reduce costs across multiple models, while the V2 unit itself offers a blend of performance and practicality. While Ducati has yet to confirm the move officially, all signs point to an upcoming generational shift that could redefine the DesertX's position in the ADV segment. The adoption of the V2 engine could be the strategic push Ducati needs to bring this unsung hero back into the spotlight. Producing around 115 horsepower at 10,750 RPM and 92 Nm of torque at 8,250 RPM, the new powerplant slightly improves on the old DesertX's output while shaving off valuable kilograms. At just 54.4 kilograms, the V2 is notably lighter, promising a more balanced and responsive ride, critical for off-road performance. However, closer inspection of the spy shots reveals a reworked chassis and a new aluminum swing arm. Suspension travel is expected to stay generous, with over 200 mm at both ends, and the wheel setup remains off-road ready, a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear. These subtle refinements suggest Ducati aims to improve handling precision and durability without compromising the bike's adventurous character. Perhaps the most significant engineering change is Ducati's decision to abandon the brand's signature desmodromic valve actuation in favor of a conventional DOHC system with valve springs. Visually, the upcoming DesertX V2 prototype retains the hallmark design language that made the original instantly recognizable. The twin circular LED headlights, rally-style fairing, and tall, enduro-focused stance all remain intact. Performance aside, the new DesertX V2 could also serve a larger role within Ducati's evolving line.